Hello everyone, I'm Christine and today I'm going to share some of the reflection after completing this Esperanto learning activity. So first of all, the instructor is trying to guide us to pronounce it correctly in Esperanto. For example, when we try to read tree, so in Esperanto it is arbol. And when we try to say cloud, in Esperanto it's nubo, right? We get some of the grammatical points in Esperanto, such as the articles. In English, the articles is a and the, but in Esperanto, it's la, right? So when we want to say the tree or the cloud, it turns out to be la arbol or the nubo. Okay, so through this kind of repetitions and read it again and again, as a learner, we can consolidate it in our memories, right? So this kind of remind me of the learning experiences back in my college year. At that time, I was trying to learn Korean. And the reason why I choose to learn Korean is because I'm a super fan of Girls' Generation, which is a very famous K-pop stars at that time. And by the way, I'm a super fan of IU. She's so beautiful and, her song is just amazing. Anyways, when I learned Korean at that time, the instructor is trying to ask us to write it down and then to read it out loud at the same time in class. For example, sakwa. Sakwa means apple in English. So at that time, I was like, okay, sakwa and apples. Sakwa, apple, sakwa, apples. And for several times, and I can memorize it at the end of the course. So that's one of the experiences. And also, the instructor even told us if we could get like 90% of the total scores at the end of the course, we could get one of the posters related to Korean culture. So that's why that I worked really, really hard in order to get that poster. And so that's one of the technique that is being used in behaviorism. That's called positive reinforcement. However, during this video clips, I cannot see the instructors using the positive reinforcement or negative reinforcement. And also there's like a little interaction between instructors and students, but possibly it's because it's a single 15 minutes lecture. So that's pretty much about it. Bye bye.